In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Smartsheet form. Whether you're collecting data from a survey or need a hard copy for a meeting, printing form submissions from Smartsheet can be straightforward with a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First, go to your Smartsheet and locate the specific row where the form submission was captured. This is where all the data from the form is stored and organized in your sheet. Once you've found the correct row, you're going to want to interact with it directly. To do this, take your mouse and right-click on the row number on the left-hand side of your screen. Alternatively, you can also use the row menu, which typically appears as a small drop-down arrow when you hover over the row. Both methods will allow you to access additional options specific to that row. From the menu that appears, select the option for Print. This will bring up a print dialog screen where you'll be able to configure how you want your form submission to look when it prints. Here, Smartsheet offers a convenient vertical two-column layout, making it easy to view and read. On the left side, you'll have the field names. These are the labels or questions from your original form. Correspondingly, on the right side, you'll see the responses that were submitted. This layout can be especially helpful if you're reviewing or sharing the information with others. Within the print dialog, you have some additional choices to refine what gets printed. You can decide to include or exclude any hidden columns. Sometimes, when working with data, certain columns may be hidden to declutter the view. It's crucial to think about whether these hidden columns contain vital information that needs to be on your printed document. Similarly, if there are any comments associated with the row, you'll have the option to print those as well. This can be useful if you're looking to maintain a complete record of the form submission and any subsequent discussions or notes. Another feature you might find useful is the ability to print to PDF. Most systems provide this option under some version of Save as PDF. Selecting this can be an excellent way to capture and store the form submission digitally without having to print a physical copy. PDFs are easy to share via email and useful for keeping organized digital records, particularly in professional settings. And there you have it. Now you know how to print a Smartsheet form quickly and efficiently. Whether you need a physical copy or a digital one, these steps will ensure you have a clear and organized version of your form submission. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more Smartsheet tips and tutorials.